Being prepared for your tenancy and managing your money well are very important. Making bad decisions, such as borrowing large amounts of money to buy furniture or signing expensive contracts for cable TV. Not managing your money correctly can mean that you do not have enough money left over to pay your rent. In cases where people refuse to pay their rent, this can result in the council evicting them. Not only does this mean that you lose your home, but if you reapply to the council at a later date for rehousing, we might exclude you from our waiting list. One of the best ways to make sure that you pay your rent on time is to set up a direct debit with your bank at the start of your tenancy. By doing this, you can make sure that your rent is your top priority, it's paid as soon as it is due, and you won't run the risk of losing the home you've waited so long to have. Please remember, the government is also changing the ways that people who receive benefits are paid. More and more people will no longer be able to claim certain types of job seekers allowance and employment support allowance. Instead, they will receive universal credit. If you're one of these people, then you must not forget that you will not receive housing benefit. Instead, you'll be paid the money to cover your rent directly, and it will be your responsibility to pay that money to us. Please don't forget that this money will be paid to you every month, not every week, so you'll need to pay us every month. This is one of the reasons why having a bank account set up that will accept direct debits is so important. It will help you reduce the stress of coping with being paid universal credit and will help you to manage it well when you do receive it, making sure that you use it for the purpose it was intended for.